Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another card reading. Today's topic is what is coming up in the next of your love life for the sign of the Scorpions, and the first Scorpio, the water sign. So today I'm going to make the video on the Scorpio, for the Scorpio who are in the relationship or who are not in the relationship, doesn't matter. It's for your love life, what is coming up next for in your love life. So stay tuned. I'll try to give you the messages, and let me remind you again, it's just a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone out there, so you have to be open mind, you have to be receptive only, and whatever messages you are listening here, so just keep it which resonates with you, or just leave the rest for the other. So this is it. And before dive into the reading, let me remind you again, this is I'm offering the personal readings also on my channel. The contact information is in the description box, you can go and check out there, so you can get the all details there. So you can ask any question regarding your marriage, your finance, your health, your love, your anything you want to ask me for, want a guidance from myself. So this is it. Now start with the reading. While I'm shuffling the cards, try to think about your partner so I can tap into his energies as well easily, and I'll just try to include the oracle guidance also, what you should do next and what is coming up for you next. So let's see the sign of Scorpios, what is coming up for you people. The Chariot, Three of Wands, Seven of Wands, Page of Wands. New beginning is here. Things are going to be fixed. Things are starting to be fixed, because the seven of Wands card is here, and you are trying to solve the problem. If you are feeling the issues, or there is a disputes in your life right now, in your love life right now, and you are not able to think what is going on with me and with my partner, then don't worry at all, because things are now going to be fixed soon, and you are have a tremendous energy, and you are start fixing the things by your own self. You are spiritual, you want the new beginning, you want the stability in your love life, or as well as in your career as well. But here I'm not doing the career reading, I'm just doing the tarot. So this is what I'm picking up here. If you are uh, looking ahead for the commitment, or you are waiting for your partner, if you people, for the very of you are in a no contact situation, then for sure they will contact you, for sure you will be contact, and she or he will be going to call you back, because there is a thing which is very good. He's try to fix the problem, he's try to fix the things, and he is really try to fix the way out of the problem. So I am just picking up here, and he really wants to communicate you. If you are in a no contact situation, then for sure he really wants to communicate with you, because he just want to get committed with you. He really loves you. What I am picking up is here. So now let's take more cards. I'll just take the middle of the deck. Nice. Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands. Too much wands is here. Again the Pentacle card is here. Nine of Pentacles. You, in the coming few days, you two are going to rebuild the understanding between you. You two are going to rebuild the connection. Wow. And you are just planning to fix the things. You are just planning to give the support to each other, and try to fix the problems with the support of each other. That's what I'm picking up here. You have a very good understanding with, in the relationship. Your relationship is very beautiful, and nowadays things are getting to be fixed, so don't worry at all, and you are just try to roam or explore with each other or spending time with each other. This is what I am picking up here. But things will be going to be good between you two, so don't worry at all about this, because things are going to be good. Now let me take the more cards. Three of Pentacles. The people around you are very supportive, very helpful. They will help you a lot while fixing the things. If you want the help from others, it can be your friends or it can be your family members. If you are married, then it can be your family members. There was an issue, there is an issue between you and your partner and you want to fix the things, then for sure your family members are very supportive. They will going to help you if you are ask them for help. And if you are not in a committed relationship right now, if you are just in a relationship and no one knows, or if you are in a relationship where no one knows about it, so no issues with that, because the people around you, it can be your friends as well, they are very helpful and they will help you to clear the doubts, to clear the misunderstanding between you and your partner, and they are going to fix the problem with the help of yours. So now let's take out the one more card. Page of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. So here is the few messages I'm just pick up here for the sign of Scorpio. What I'm picking up here is you are in a confusion, you are not able to see the things clearly, or there is a difference between the age of you and your partner, but there is a differences between you and your partner which is causing the disputes, which is causing the conflicts right now, and you are not able to see the things clearly. There is a Queen of Wands card where you want the stability in your relationship. See, this is what I am picking up here. There is a Wands, there is a Pentacles, there is emotions, but the woman is very secretive and you know that, and the things are not going according to you desire for. Your partner is kind of a secretive nature. He is not open up easily, she is not open up easily. If you are a boy or a girl looking for the video, this is what I'm seeing here. But don't worry about it, because the problem, whatever it is in your situation right now, it will be going to sort it out. You will get this thing to be done, because I am see the things here which is good for your relationship. When the problems are going to be over, the relationship will be healthy. I hope you are also agree with my point. But yes, your problems are now going to be end, your things are now going to be end, and your confusion will going to be end. Now you will see the clarity, and now you will see the clarity in the positive way, what you want, what you are desire for, and how you want the things to be done. Whatever the thing is, you will get whatever you are desire for. So just wait for the right time and the right moment. Now let me take out some oracle for the sign of Scorpions. Success, you will get success for sure. Recovery, I told you, right? The things will going to be recover soon, the things will be going to be fixing soon, so you have to recover yourself. You will get the success, things are going to be changed for your betterment, and they are going to be changed for your love life. So I just need to say that you have to be think about your ask for help from others. So I told you, the people around you are very supportive, very helpful. They will help you out if you need any kind of help from them. If you need anything from them, then the people are very much with you. They want to help you. So just don't worry about it. Think about others and think about your partner, because your partner is very important here and you want to fix the things between him or her. And of course you are watching this video, then I can only guide you that to solve the problems, because your relationship is very beautiful. So just solve the problems, try not to be make the more and more difficult. Just try to be with the very much in your favor. So this is what I'm picking up here. So this is it for the sign of Scorpio. I hope you like my reading, I hope you like my channel. So bye bye, take care, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.